Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Latitude 3550. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Latitude 3550 won't turn on, it can be a frustrating experience. This issue may stem from various causes such as a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or internal hardware failures. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more extensive damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power supply if necessary. To begin the repair, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place the laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back panel is off, inspect the battery and power supply connections. If the battery is removable, disconnect it by lifting the battery release latches. If it appears to be faulty or swollen, it's time to replace it. For a power supply issue, check the connections to the motherboard. If you locate any loose cables, reconnect them securely. Be cautious and ensure you are not applying excessive force, as this can damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing any faulty components, carefully reattach the back cover of the laptop, ensuring it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, but do not over-tighten them, as this can strip the threads. Once the device is securely closed, plug it back in and attempt to power it on. If everything has gone well, your Dell Latitude 3550 should power up without any issues. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure that you regularly check your power supply and battery health. Keeping your device clean and free from dust can also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.